Hello students, today I will discuss further exercise. So look question number 6. Simplify and write in exponential form with positive exponents. Right? Question is 5 upon 7 whole power 2 curly bracket whole power minus 1 large bracket whole power minus 3. First of all, you have to solve a small bracket, after that you have to solve curly bracket, after that you have to solve large bracket, right? So this is the power and this is the power. You have to multiply when these two power plus minus minus, it will be minus 5 upon 7 whole power 2 multiplied by minus 1 minus 2, right? Minus 3 minus minus plus, so it will be 5 upon 7 2 3 just 6. So your right answer is 5 upon 7 whole power 6, right student? Next question, 2 upon 7 whole power 2 multiply 7 upon 2 whole power minus 3 divide 7 upon 5 whole power minus 2 curly bracket whole power minus 4, right? First of all, you have to solve these two negative powers. 2 upon 7 as it is, 7 upon 2 as it is, divide, when minus 2 multiplied by minus 4, it will be 2 4s are 8 plus 8, 7 upon 5, it will be 8. Now you have to solve this step. 7 by 2, its power is negative, 2 upon 7 you have to change this negative power into the positive. 2 upon 7 whole power plus 3 divide 7 upon 5 whole power 8. You can write 2 power 2 upon 7 power 2, 2 power 3 upon 7 power 3 divide 7 power 8 upon 5 power 8. Now solve this divide. 2 power 2 7 power 2 2 power 3 7 power 3 divide will be changed into multiply, and now write the reciprocal of this number. 5 power 8 upon 7 power 8. Now 2 power 2 2 power 3, it will be 2 power 2 plus 3 multiply 5 power 8 upon 7 power 2 7 power 3, 7 power 2 plus 3 plus 8, because it has same base, 7 power 2 7 power 3 7 power 8. So answer is 2 power 5 5 power 8 upon 7 power 2 plus 3 5 plus 8 30. So this is your right answer. Next third part is 4/5 whole power 2 multiply 5/4 multiply 2/5 whole power -2 divide 5/2 whole power -3. First of all, you have to change the negative power into the positive, right? 4/5 whole power 2 5/4 2/5. You can write this 5/2 whole power +2 divide 5/2. You can write 2/5 whole power negative will be changed into the positive, right? Next, you have to solve this divide sign. 4/2 5/2 5/4 5/2 2/2 divide 2/3 5/3. After that, you have to solve divide sign. 4/2 5/2 5/4 5/2 2/2. Divide will be changed multiply, and you have to write the reciprocal of this number. 5/3 2/3. Now look the same base. 5/4 5/2 5/3 5/4 + 2 + 3 multiply 4/2 5/2 multiply 2/2 + 3 5/3 and 2 5 5 and 4 9 multiply. You can write 4. It means 2/2 whole power 2 5/2 2/5, right? After that, 5/9 + 2, it will be negative 2/4 upon 2/5 5/7 2/5 2/4. Solve it. When 4 come this side, it will be negative 2/5 -4. So it will be 5/7 2/1, or you can write 5/7 2. This is your right answer. And you have to solve a question. I am giving you a question and you have to solve and give your answer in comment box, right? So look the question as your homework. Question: solve 4 upon 5 whole power 2 multiply 9 upon 2 whole power minus 3 divide 2 upon 3 whole power 4. Give your answer in comment box. Right? This is your homework. Thank you.